Very informative session, and I feel it's worth every penny that is spent. I thank Mr. Guru Prasad for this informative session, and a lot of learning because initially when I came in, though I tried my hands-on with this hydroponic system at home by getting a kit, nothing worked, and I was very much worried as to what was going wrong. But with all the doubts, I'm very happy that all my doubts are clarified, and looking forward for your help with regard to future growing with the hydroponic system. Thanks a lot.
Namaskar, my name is Vasant Antali. So his first experience on hydroponics. So ತುಂಬ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ, ಬಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ತುಂಬ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಬೆಳೆಸಿರಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ಸೊ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೊರೋನಾ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಗಾಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ. ಸೊ ತುಂಬ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಐ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಪೋನಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಚಾಲೆಂಜಸ್. ಗುರು ಅವರು ತುಂಬ ಹಾನೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ವೆರಿ ಹಾನೆಸ್ಟ್, ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಹೈಡಿಂಗ್. What are the pros, cons, challenges, so yes, if you want to try anything in hydroponics, you should get first-hand training, understand the challenges, understand what are the opportunities, pros, cons, whether you can do it or not. So sometimes we get a lot of interest when you see videos, but when you actually come and do things, see the things, you get different perspective about that. So I recommend everybody whoever wants to try this hydroponics, get this first hand training. Not only training, honest. There's I think less of commerciality and more of honest thing. It's more of guiding, I can say, rather than training. So ella banni idondu training togoli, then you can take a call whether you want to do it or not. Thanks for the homely food, Guru, and for your wife. It was very nice. We felt as if we got training inside our own home. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು.
Thank you.
So Mr. Guru has given a very practical hands-on approach to how to start hydroponics farming. Before coming to this session, I did a lot of theoretical YouTube research on hydroponics, and it didn't give me a lot of hope on starting hydroponics. It demotivated me, and a lot of people, when I spoke to them outside, all the reviews and this about hydroponics was very demotivating. They would make sure that you don't start it. But once I came here and attended the session, it was more of a question and answer and discussion session rather than only one end monologue. So I think I've learned a lot about this, and I also learned how to choose wisely what type of system you have to use, and if you're going for commercial, what is the mentality you need, and if you're doing it for your own growing your own food, what is the system and technique you need to do. So that clarity, this has given me a lot of clarity, and I wish to continue a lot further with Mr. Guru on
Nice.
this subject.
So it was worth coming here.
It was definitely worth it.
Thank you so much.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಹರಿಕೃಷ್ಣ ಅಂತ. ಒಂದು ಗಾದೆ ಇದೆ, ಊಟ ಬಲ್ಲವನಿಗೆ ರೋಗವಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಆದರೆ ಊಟ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೂ ಸಹ ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ಪದ್ಧತಿ ಮೇಲೇ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಆಧಾರ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಏನೇ ತಿಂದರೂ ಸಹ ಅದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಮಾತ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ನುಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಜೀರ್ಣ ಆಗೋದು, ಆ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಇದೆ. ಆಹಾರ ಪದ್ಧತಿಯನ್ನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಅನುಸರಿಸಬೇಕು, ಅದರ ಮೂಲ ಏನು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವು ಬೆಳೆಸಿರಿ ಗುರುಪ್ರಸಾದ್ ಸರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಬಂದು ಸುಮಾರು ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿವಿ. ಆಹಾರವನ್ನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಬೆಳೆಸ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪೌಷ್ಟಿಕಾಂಶಗಳು ಏನಿದೆ, ಯಾತಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಮಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳೀತಾ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು, ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ರೈತರು ಬೆಳೀತಾ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ತಿಂದರೂ ಸಹ ನಮಗೆ ರೋಗಗಳು, ಕಾಯಿಲೆಗಳು ಬರ್ತಾಯಿದೆ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತ ಮಹತ್ವ ಇದೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಅತಿ ಉಪಯುಕ್ತವಾದ ಮಾಹಿತಿಗಳು ಸಿಗ್ತವೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ತರಕಾರಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಬೇರೆ ದವಸ ಧಾನ್ಯಗಳು ಏನೇ ಇದ್ದರೂ ಸಹ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬೆಳೆದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ವೈದ್ಯರಿಂದ ದೂರ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ದೀರ್ಘಕಾಲ ನಾವು ಬದುಕ್ಬೋದು ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಪೋನಿಕ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ನ ನಾವು ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಬಂದ್ವಿ. ಅತಿ ಉತ್ತಮವಾದಂಥ ಉಪಯುಕ್ತವಾದಂಥ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಸಿಕ್ತು. ಮತ್ತು ನಾವು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಆಹಾರವನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಜನಗಳಿಗೂ ಸಹ ಇಂಥ ಆಹಾರದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ರವಾನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಅವರು ಇಂಥ ಆಹಾರವನ್ನು ಸೇವನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಒಂದು ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ನಾವು ಇದು ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ವಿ. ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah, thank you for the class. I came with zero knowledge, but definitely carrying a good amount of knowledge back. The first thing which came to my mind is first learn the attitude with which you start anything, right? So the attitude is like, first learn, then see how much of it you can actually put into practice, execute, right? So I understood the practical problems, I understood what can come out of it. So definitely it has created good amount of interest in me, and learning does not stop in one day. So definitely it will continue. I will keep contacting you for more information.
Absolutely.
And thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Simply buying a kit will not help.
No,
So,
definitely not. It's
may not be in all cases, but most of the time it
yes,
has come to my experience. So
because one, you need to be passionate about
Correct.
what you're doing. Because if you don't have that patience, see, in my case, I've tried from so many months, okay, and I've not given up.
correct.
Okay, initially, once or twice when I felt the plants were dying, I really felt bad. Not that, my money got wasted, but plants were dying, not in a position to do anything. But yeah, what I would say is that passion should be on.
And
Okay.
that was very important. You said never give up.
Yes, you should
So
never
you are
give
trying.
up. Yeah, because
That's
there will
good.
be someone or the other to help you. And there are many people who will not give you that that magic recipe or that solution as to what is going wrong and what you need to do. But sir has given that.
Okay, thank you.
He was never hiding anything. Even when we were asking questions, he was always there to help us out and give as much information as possible for us to try this out.
Sure. Thank you so much.